In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in GetResponse. Establishing a regular newsletter can be a great way to maintain contact with your audience and keep them engaged with your content. So, let's dive right in and take this step by step to make it easy for you to follow along. First things first, you'll need to log into your GetResponse account. If you already have an account, simply head to the GetResponse website and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. But for this video, we'll presume you're all set up and ready to go. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Email Marketing. It should be quite prominent on the main menu. Click on it, and once you're in the Email Marketing section, you'll see an option to either Create Newsletter or Create Email. Depending on your account interface, these options might differ slightly, but either will get you where you need to go. Go ahead and click on whichever option you have. Now we move on to configuring the email settings, which is an essential part of crafting your newsletter. Here you'll be required to enter some basic details. Start by giving your newsletter a message name. This is really for your own reference, to help you easily identify this particular newsletter later on. Next is crafting a compelling subject line. You'll want something clear and engaging, something that will catch your recipient's eyes and encourage them to open your email. For the from name, enter the name that you want your recipients to see as the sender. This is an opportunity to personalize your communication and make it feel more like it's coming from one person rather than a faceless organization. Next, select a From email address from the verified email addresses associated with your account. This is crucial for ensuring your emails are not caught in spam filters. Also, set your reply to address. This could be different from your From email if you wish, but it's where any responses from your recipients will be sent. Having fine-tuned your basic details, now it's time to choose your audience. Start by selecting one or more contact lists to which you want to send your newsletter. To make your message even more tailored, take advantage of segments. These segments allow you to target specific groups of subscribers based on interests, behaviors, or other criteria. This is an incredibly powerful tool to ensure each newsletter resonates with the right audience. Finally, it's time to design your newsletter. Here, GetResponse offers a range of templates and customization options. Feel free to explore and get creative. Whether you opt for a classic, clean design or something more elaborate, keep your brand's voice and aesthetic in mind. A well-designed newsletter not only looks professional, but also reinforces your message and brand identity. That's how you create a newsletter and GetResponse. By following these steps, you can ensure your newsletters are engaging, personalized, and professionally crafted to leave a lasting impact. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!